Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Monday, hope you had a great weekend. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright, we get this week's channel shout out. I put all the names back in the box, back in the container. Starting all over again. See if I can get one to fly out. So this week's channel shout out is Amputee Outdoors, fellow Washington YouTuber, really good dude. I like his channel. Well, alrighty, I hope you give that channel a check and give them a subscribe and a like, a few of their videos, or just binge all their videos the whole weekend. Just do nothing else. No. Yeah. So have a great week. Hope it goes by fast, and we'll catch you in the next one. And don't forget to check the little end cards floating around in the video at the end for their channels, and also there'll be links in the description. Have a great day, have a great week, and we'll catch you in the next one.